Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this one we'll be looking at graph theory, and in particular the sum of valencies and questions associated to it. Now I've handpicked two questions which I think are great. Now if you're not sure what valencies are, let's just go back and understand the definition of before we actually tackle these problems, yeah? So if they had to ask you what is the valency of point A, you just count how many edges there are. Well, at point A we've got 1, 2, 3 edges. So the valency of A would be 3. Another way they could use instead of valency is degree. What is the degree of point A? Again, it would be 3. For F would be 2, and so on. So that's just a keyword. Degree and valency are basically the same thing. Another key factor when it comes to the sum of valencies is that it always equals 2 times the number of edges. So that's a key factor, yes? So let's start the question and get through every problem now. So question 1a, yeah, I'll put 1a over here. Find the sum of the valencies of the vertices in this graph. Now what we usually do is best we draw a table. We can call it vertex and valency. It just helps to like organize your thoughts. And we just write every vertex we have. So we're going from A all the way to, so A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, and F. And we're just counting, yeah, the number of, the degree of each point of valency. So A has 3 because there's 3 edges coming off it. B has 3, C has 3, D has 3, E has 4, and F has 2. So then the total, we just quickly add them up. So that's actually 18. So the sum of the valency is 18. So therefore we now, yeah, that's it. Sum of valency is 18. That's all it is. Now part B, verify that your answer to part A is twice the number of edges in the graph. So this kind of links to the sum of valencies, because the general formula is this. We need to know that the sum of the valencies is equal to 2 times the number of edges. So this is actually the general rule. Okay, so we know we have 18 here, must equal 2 times, so the answer has to be 9, but we did check it, yeah? So let's verify it. So we have, let's count how many edges we have. We've got A, B, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's it. Yep, it's 9. So to verify carefully, list all the edges. So we have AB, CB, CD, early one, D, B. And now for question 2, it says a graph has 5 nodes and 8 edges. The valencies of the nodes are x, x minus 1, x plus 1, 2x minus 1, and finally x minus 1. Find the value x. So all we want to do is basically link the sum of the valencies, so sum all these up, and equal it to 2 times the number of edges, which is 2 times 8. So let's try this out. Okay, so we can say therefore for question 2, using the formula above, so sum of the valencies. So always write down every single time. Sum of valencies has to equal 2 times the number of edges. If we go ahead and just literally add up your algebraic expressions, you should get, or adding up all the x's, you should get 6x. And the constants, you should get minus 2. And it has to equal 2 times the number of edges, which is 8. Perfect. And just solving this, you have 6x minus 2 equals 16. So, and then therefore solving it carefully, move the 2 across, you get 18. So you get x equals 18 over 6, which is 3. And that's it. That's the problem solved.